Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some PR from Saviland. This is my first PR from Saviland. I have used Saviland products before. I actually have their nail extend glue gel, which I really like. I use this a lot of times when I put on my Gel-X nails. I do have some polygel, a few polygel actually kits from them. I haven't done polygel in so long. I need to do polygel, but yes, I have some of their products. So they asked if I wanted to try the ProTip X 4.0. This is a high-tech Gel-X system. 30-day super long wear. So the representative said they were sending me the extra short square, which is fine. So we're just going to take a look at the box here. And then this is cool on the back. It has pictures here. This says how to use the solid gel, adhesive tabs, use tip extend gel. So yeah, that's nice. I like when there's pictures. And then it says 26 free formula, which is nice. Professional 4X pre-made tip, 30 days. So that's cool. Well, I'm excited to get in and open this. So let me just cut the tape here. Alright, so we're going to take a look and see what comes in the kit here. Alright, so the first thing I see here is, I'll just put that like that. This is the Tip Solid Extend Gel, 15 grams. Alright, so I just took the plastic off and let's see. Oh, that's nice. So it does have the little plastic. Wait, is that part of the seal or? Oh no, that is. Right? Yeah. Okay, oh, that's cool. Okay, yeah, so it's real thick. Very thick, that's cool. It just has the marks from the foil. That's cool though. And then let's take out all this. Ooh, this is cool. So we get a 20 ml. This is Tip Fast Spray Remover. This is to remove the nails. This says it's plant-based. Oh, this is cool. Spray on nail tips edge to remove. Tip Solid Extend Gel. Gently pry the nail with a cuticle pusher in the gap. Repeat until fully removed. Ooh, that's gonna be cool. So we get that, and then we have 15 ml clear plant extract builder nail gel, rich in castor oil and vitamin E. Perfectly shaped natural nails. That's nice. Let's see. So this is put on your nails to protect your nails. And it's pretty thick. That's nice. Ooh. And then we get our primer. We get our primer, tip extend gel, and top gel. So this must be like the top coat. Apply top gel as the last step. Yep. And then this is to also put the tips on. So we get the solid one, and then we get the tip extend gel. And then of course we get our primer. Apply a thin coat of Tip AF primer onto each natural nail before applying acrylics or gel polish air dry. That's what it says. Alright, so we get all that. And then we have our little instruction manual here. I like how it has all the pictures.
So that's nice.
So yes, 26 free formula. So if you want to take a look, this is what they took out of their product to make it more healthy. That's great. Oh, we get a little lamp. That's cute. Alright, so we do get the little lamp. How cute is that? That is cute. So yes, and it has the charger cord here. And it does have a power button here, so we'll try that out later. And then we get oh cool, we get a kit here. So we get a 180 file. 70% isopropyl alcohol pads. So we can dehydrate the nail and clean off any oils or debris. We get a wood stick and some sticky tabs. Nice. And then the star of the show, what we have left in the box here are the tips. Ooh, these are nice. Very nice. So this is here professional 4X pre-made tip. So there's like, I guess there's 4 layers. It says Bond Shield, Tip A-F primer, soft press tip, tip top gel, or maybe that's what you put on top. I don't know, that's cool though. And then it has the same little pictures here. Oh, look at it. Oh, these are nice. These are very nice. Yeah, I don't have any tips that have French, so that's nice. Oh, I wish I didn't have nails on. You know what though, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do these on my daughter because she's been wanting her nails done. She just removed a press-on set that I did, and she had it on for 3 weeks, so she wants to have some nails on. But these are nice. Look how tiny. I'm usually like really tiny, but I think that's even too tiny. Cute. Oh, these are cute. And then the thumb, yeah, I'll have to see. Oh, these are cute. So we get 3 of these, and then there's 15 different sizes. Wow, that's nice. And you get 3 sets. And then it has a the instruction manual. Alright, so I'm excited to try this. Like I said, I'm most likely doing the set on my daughter. So yes, oh my gosh, I can't wait to use everything. Thank you so much, Saviland. Again, I will be back. Alright, so I am back and I have my daughter here. We are going to be doing her nails. So yes, I already went ahead and like trimmed her nails and did some cuticle work. I have all the products set out here. I did use the file to go ahead and file her nails. I really like that file. So now we're going to be taking, now we're going to be taking the tips here, and we're going to go ahead and size the tips here. I'm going to show the first one here in real time, and then I'm going to start speeding it up. But you want to make sure that the tips are fitting sidewall to sidewall. You don't want them to be too large and hang over, and you don't want them to be too short on the sides where there's going to be gaps. So yes, that's all I'm doing here is we're just going to be measuring out her tips. Saviland was nice enough to give me a code to share with my subscribers, and it is Sondra20, so you can save 20% on this amazing kit. So I'm going to take the alcohol, one of the alcohol pads that came in the kit, and we're just going to go ahead and Just make sure we remove any dust, any debris, any oils that are on the nail bed. There was a little area, she still had some glue on, she had some press-ons on, and there was still a little bit of glue on there. So on the instructions, it did say to dehydrate the nails with a dehydrator. So the one didn't come in the kit, but I went ahead and had one. So I went ahead and dehydrated the nails. And now we're going to be taking the primer. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to apply the primer to the nails, and then we're going to let that air dry. So one hand we're going to be using the solid extend gel, and then the other hand we're going to be using the one that came in the bottle. And I do have the little Saviland light there all hooked up and ready to go. So on her right hand we're going to be putting the solid gel, and I just apply a little bit to the tip, press it down. And then you just want to make sure if any seeps out, you go ahead and clean it with the wood stick like I'm doing here. You want to press it down so that it goes all the way to the tip of the free edge of the nail. And make sure it's, you know, pretty even with the cuticle there. I just wanted to make sure it was on there good one more time. And then go ahead and put it in the lamp. Now I like this because it is very, very thick and the tip does not move. So you don't really have to worry about the tip sliding around or anything or getting bubbles. So I really, really like the solid gel. I'm just going to show two nails, I believe, because it's the exact same thing. I'm just putting a little bit of that gel, pressing it down up towards the free edge. When you do put it on the nail, it does spread out. So yeah, I really, really liked it. It's very nice. And like I said, just clean up any that seeped out. And then we're getting the light there, and we cure that for 60 seconds. It does go off. The light does go off after 60 seconds. And so now I'm going to do the primer on the left hand. And we're going to let that dry, and then we're going to go on with the extend gel that came in the bottle here. Now it was nice, but the only thing is it was a little bit difficult to put your hand. Well, if you're doing your own hand, it's probably a lot easier to put it in the little lamp, but it was kind of hard to hold the nail on and try to put her finger under the light. And I did get some bubbles, you know, with the gel, not too many, but I did get some. But like I said, yeah, I had to kind of hold it in place. And then when I lifted it up, that was my fault. I should not have lifted my finger off of there. So that was my fault. But then I did hold it down and then put it under the light just so it could start to cure it. So, you know, to get it to a place where it wouldn't move. And then I would hold the rest of the tip. So that's the only thing with these little lights is it's kind of hard when you're doing someone else's to fit, you know, inside of there. But I mean, we used it for all the nails. So, and so yeah, I had her just go in and put it again. And then yeah, I did already go ahead and put the gel on while her finger was in the light. And then like I said, you just want to put a good amount, not too much because it will seep out. And you'll get used to how much you should put. You'll get an idea once you start doing a few nails. But like I said, I did hold it down, and then I had to kind of put her finger in there, you know, hold it down until the nail was cured enough to where it wouldn't move. And so we're going to show another one here. I just put like a dot and I kind of spread it around. And I tried not to put too much at the cuticle because it will spread down to the cuticle. And then you want to clean up anything that seeped out. And so like I said, yeah, it was kind of hard to get her nail in there. But like I said, if you're doing it on yourself, it's going to be a lot easier. But she wanted to have, you know, nails on. And yeah, see, I was showing there was a bubble there, but I mean, not too bad, not too noticeable either. I like the color, the nail bed color on these. So this one, it didn't sit very flush, so I'm just taking my drill and I try to just go on. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want to take too much of the nail off, but I just did, you know, a little bit there. So I'm taking a buffer because at the tip of the nail you can see some of the white kind of chipped a little bit. It's just where you took it off the, you know, when you break the tip off, it has the little, I don't know, whatever it's attached to, and you take it off, it kind of takes a little bit of the white off. So I just buffed, very light buffer, and it was fine. And then it was all smooth, and yeah, so that's what I was doing there. And then I just gave him a little wipe again with the alcohol, remove any dust. And now we're going in with the top gel. I did like the top gel. It was not runny, but it was a thinner type of top coat, but it was fine. I mean, the nails are, you know, really shiny. It was, you know, perfectly fine. But she loved the nails. She said it's a perfect length for her. She has a hard time doing stuff when she has nails longer than this. So she's like, Mom, this is perfect. And I thought they looked so pretty on her hands. And so yeah, we're gonna test them out and see how long they're gonna last. It says 30 days, so we're gonna see how long she's gonna have these on for. I will do an update. But like I said, she absolutely loves the length, she loves the shape, she loves everything. So thank you so much, Saviland. I appreciate you sending this over. I am going to link the product from the Saviland website. And I also have a link, an affiliate link, if you'd like to use that. That helps me out. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. She wanted to do a little video here, and these are the pictures. She absolutely loves them. So I will do an update and see how long they last. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.